Hello. That was creepy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maddie, and today's video I'm gonna be doing a little unboxing. Sorry, I was getting situated. I'm gonna open up my Ipsy Glam bag for July 2018. So if you're interested to see what I got in my glam bag, then just keep watching. I'm back. Don't mind my makeup. I have a pimple right here. That's why it looks so red. But I went golfing today. I was all out in the heat after I had done my makeup because I had a meeting this morning. So my makeup has been on probably like 10 hours, a full 10 hours right now. So please don't judge what I look like right now. I'm looking in the mirror. That's what I'm doing. Okay. So I got my glam bag. I think I got it yesterday because it was on my counter when I came home this morning and my mail doesn't come that early. So pretty sure it came in the mail yesterday. And I honestly forgot it was coming. But it's so cute. I love this little bag. It's like, reminds me of like a mermaid. And I love these like thick zippers that they have. Their bags are so cute. I can't get over them. So I obviously opened it out of like the little pink package, but I did not open the bag yet. So let's see, what do we got? The first thing I see here is this little Ofra eyeshadow. So we shall open this. I know Ofra just like rebranded their whole thing, so congrats to them because like they have some bomb stuff. Ooh, this is a big pan too. That's a big pan. It doesn't say the color. Well, that's just silly. Why doesn't it say the color? Well, it's like a shimmery black. Here, I will swatch it and I'll do like an up close for you guys. That's what it looks like on my finger. It's more of like a charcoal, I guess. You could build it up to black, but it's kind of like a charcoal. That's what she looks like. I'll do like an insert so you guys can see more up close and personal. But just a little makeup wipe. So that's nice. That'll be fun for doing like going out looks. I'm going back to school, so you know I'm gonna be going out a little bit. So that'd be nice. I'm upset this doesn't have a color on it though. It has all the ingredient names. Ofra, like it's not anywhere. That's so strange. Okay, well maybe it's like listed. Let me check my Ipsy app and see if it's listed. Give me a moment. I was on YouTube. Ipsy. Ipsy's next to Etsy, which gets confusing. It gets confusing. So, oh, my phone's gonna die. Maybe later. Gave. Thank you. It says there's 3. Go away, please. Go away. I'm fighting with my phone. What in the world? It says there's 3 different shades. This is called Exquisite. There we go. It doesn't list it on here, but this is Exquisite. So that's a fun black color because it's shimmery. I like that. So I'll probably be using that. Sorry if my mirror's in the way. All right, next we have Sugar Cosmetics. I don't think I've ever heard of Sugar Cosmetics. Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in Green Light, and it looks like a shimmery green. That's what she looks like. We'll swatch her. It's pretty. I'm gonna try and put some of the stuff on my eyes by the end of the video. I'm not gonna put that black eyeshadow on because it's gonna look weird over my eyeliner. But that is that. I like that color. It kind of matches the color of this little Ofra thingy-majiggy. So that's pretty. Wipe it off my hand. What is next? Next we have Wander Beauty. I have been meaning to try Wander Beauty because they have like some pretty nicely priced things. I think it was Wander Beauty that Tati just did a video on. That was like their whipped cream primer. It looked so interesting. So I'll have to check out their site. But this is a little cute. I like this color of the bottle. It's very cute. And it says this is a Glotion Lotion Illuminatress. So I think it's just a shiny lotion. I gotta find my tweezers because I have fake nails and can't open things with my hands. It's ridiculous. But oh no, I squirted it out. It looks like a rose gold highlighter is in lotion. I don't see any I see a little bit of shine to my skin, but nothing like crazy sparkly. So that's nice because I don't like to walk out of the house looking sparkly. But I also don't like to walk out of the house looking greasy, so that'll be interesting in the summer months. Like maybe put on my shoulders that are red from today, or like my legs maybe. Okay, moving on. The next product that I got is Z Skin. I think that's the brand. Acne Spot Treatment, affordable, handcrafted, 100% organic. So I love a good acne spot treatment since I have blemishes on my face. Wow, I can't open this one. I will insert a clip since I cannot open. What? Oh! I got it. Oh! Goodness. It just looks like a white paste. Looks like toothpaste. But you know, I'll show you. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have one item left, and ooh, it's a lipstick. It's from Mellow Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Candy Floss. Oh boy, I'm never gonna wear this color. This is a bright ass pink. This is like a blue pink. Oh no. I regret saying I was gonna try on some of these things. Now I'm gonna look like a clown. Alright, so that is everything that I got in my bag. So now I'll put on this little eyeliner in my waterline, and I guess I'll put on that lipstick. It's not gonna look good. So I'm gonna get insanely close to my mirror so I can get all up in my waterline. It's really not gonna match my look today, but it's fine. It is fine. It's really pigmented and greeny. That kind of looks cool, actually. The green color. I like it, I'm not mad. This would be cool to like put in the waterline if you're doing like a super natural eye, just as like a pop of color. Maybe I'll do that one day and freak out my coworkers. Anybody else's eyes water insanely when they put their eyeliner on their waterline? Because that's my problem I have. That looks kind of cool. This would be cool for going out too. I like this. That's nice. Oh, I'm not looking forward to this lipstick. Ipsy, can you send me neutrals? I love like a fresh tube of lipstick. This is just so perfect to me. That point though. Alright, let's put it on. Oh no, oh no. I look like Barbie. I hate this. I'm never gonna wear this again. I don't like it. It's not like a bad color, it's just not a color I wear. Like, I do not like this color, especially because I'm so pale, so it looks so weird on me. I'm looking in the mirror above the camera. It's not a bad color, it's just a bad color on me. It's not my color. It was creamy though, the formula was nice. Alright, well, that wraps up everything that I got in my July 2018 Ipsy Glam bag. I always pause, I don't know why. So I hope you guys subscribe, like this video, you know, do the whole drill and everything, and I will hopefully see you in my next video. Bye guys!